Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came by way of B&B Global. I think their other part of their company is called CCC. They're distributors for Paldo, and they were kind enough to send me some samples, and I really appreciate it. And this is not an instant noodle. This is Paldo Bibim Tteokbokki. I turn that right. There we go. Yeah, tteokbokki. Do you know what tteokbokki is? Well, I'm going to tell you. It's a wonderful thing. Everybody enjoys it. I think. It's this. So they're these little rice cake tubes. Little cylindrical shaped things, and they are freaking, when made correctly, you can basically use them with anything, and I highly recommend using them with anything. It's like good with sauces and stuff. This is not seasoning. They also kind of, a lot of the time when you open them, they almost have like this alcohol smell to them. I don't know exactly why, but that's just how they are, so it's not like there's something wrong with them. There's the line. So we pour the sauce on. Like so. I'll give it some help. You might be wondering why I have Band-Aid on finger. So when I was prepping for this, I've got this mandolin slicer that I got a long time ago from, I think my sister gave it to me. It was one that I think my mom got a long time ago. And I was thinking, hey, I can slice some nice vegetables for this. And it'll save some time, and they'll be nice and thin and really cool. And when I brought it down last night, my wife, the first thing she said, don't chop up your finger. Don't chop your finger. Where is that line? It's kind of hard to see. It's right there. It's hard for me to see. Right there. And then you put the lid on like that. And what's the deal? This will go in the microwave. Says 3.5 minutes at 1,000 watts. All right. So with everything new that I try in the microwave, I like to put down a paper plate so there won't be any possible explosion. Okay, and it shows the lid on there very loosely. Pretty sure that's what I saw there. Okay, so we need 3.5 minutes. And there we go. But yeah, man, this, wow. It hurt, it stung a little bit, but it was just like, dude, my finger. That wasn't how it was supposed to go today. But I haven't done any reviews in a little while. God, what was the last review I did? I can't even think of it. But we've had heat. A lot of heat. We had a record for consecutive 90 plus degree days. It was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I think it was 6 or 7 straight days of temps above 90 degrees here in Western Washington, the Seattle area, and it was just mean. I was going out and walking, and like I changed my shirt like 4 times the same day, a couple times, just because it was just so hot and sweaty. A lot of humidity, but it's mellowed out quite, quite, quite a bit, which I appreciate. So yeah, and now what else is going on? That's about it. Not a whole lot going on other than that, but it's better. It's not so hot, and I'm very thankful for that. Thank you for outer space weather satellites that make the weather. I don't think there's a thing like that. That'd be neat. Weather control satellites? Only in Star Trek, folks. What is not neat is this. It is very hard to operate a phone without one of these. You got to use like this one or this one. I've been using this one. It just feels silly. So, what do? You just don't slice your finger with the mandolin slicer. I think that's kind of the way it should go. But yeah, I think I'm doing these in the right order. If not, you know. But yeah. Oh, it's Tuesday, August 2nd, which means I believe this is the last day to vote in the primary election in Washington State. It's always neat because usually when I go out walking after my wife gets home from work, I go down that way and I walk past the election drop box, and there's like almost every time when I'm going by, there's people in their yellow reflective suits that says elections personnel or something like that on it, and they're going picking up ballots. It's kind of cool. I always want to go, wow, thank you very much, you know, but I leave them alone. It's like they probably get enough people yammering at them while they're doing stuff, so I'll leave them be. And yeah, Tteokbokki time. We are explosion free. No explosion for us. Yeah. So this will be interesting because bibimin is, and I always say it wrong. It's bibimin or bibimyun. I always call it bibimun, and it's not. It's like Myeon would be the non-Romanized. Here they're spelling it Bibim space Men, but it's not bibimun. It's not bibimain. It's bibimyun, I think. Ooh, that's hot. Wow. So this always fascinates me because obviously it boiled. And if you look, it just came like right to the edge but didn't go over. That's classy, I think. I think that's really fascinating how that can happen. So here we are. Here is our tteokbokki. Let's see. This has got to be garnished. Hopefully. I think it's going to be, yeah. It's seaweed and sesame seed. I know what that tastes like. Let's try this. Usually this is a cold variety, this bibimin. Cheers. Mmm. Oh yeah. It's soft, light chew, not rubbery. It's tteokbokki. And I love tteokbokki. Mmm. All right. Let's not spill that. Let me move this chicken over here. I'm doing 4 today. That's fun. Set that there for now. That's yummy. Oh, which one do I want to use? I'll go this way. No, I'm going with this one. Because I've got another one that will be a cold noodle, but I think this will work just fine for this one. I think it's the right size. There we go. All right, let's see if we can do this without making a bad plating choice. There's our tteokbokki. And usually for these cold Korean noodles, we go with cucumber, man, they just picked the perfect time to start leaf blowing. Isn't that something? Want some ham. A good ham. So in addition to slicing my poor finger, and that was when I was making these carrots, slicing these carrots. In addition to that, of my woes currently, last night I was having dinner and I bit my tongue, like way in the back, and it was like, the sound of it was like biting into a ripe, crisp apple. It was bad, folks. Really, really bad. What was that? One moment. Is that on your tablet? Was that on your tablet? What was that? You don't know? Hey, Mimi! What are you doing? Okay. Did your tablet make that noise? Oh. I wonder what that was. Oh, you know what it might have been? We have a carbon monoxide alarm. Maybe it's low on batteries. Or maybe we're getting a whole bunch of carbon monoxide from them doing the, what do you call it? The leaf blowing out there. But they're not close enough, so I don't know. I just don't know. Who doesn't want a little bit of carbon monoxide? Not too much. There's our tteokbokki. I'm gonna add some more vegetable on here. Go ahead, out. Hi, nice people. Go on. Mimi, there's stuff going on out here, so if you're not going to listen, you're going to get in trouble. So go. No, they're not nice today. The nice people aren't nice today. She has been a pip lately, ladies and gentlemen. If she doesn't get her way, she throws a big stinky tantrum. And generally, she gets her way. All right, Rotato. Let's do this. Here we go. forgot something, ladies and gentlemen. Here. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one we've got is one from Japan by Myojo. This is their Ippichan Mentaiko Savory Umami Yakisoba. So check that out on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye. That finger.